Hi, it's David here from Starshipit, and welcome back to another product update. We've got some really cool features to share with you this month, so let's get into it. Pack easier with the new packing slip template editor. You may remember from our last update, we announced the new template editor for packing summaries. Now we've got the same great functionality for packing slips. You can add and remove unnecessary columns, and generally tweak these packing slips to suit your needs. Check it out today. We're on a mission here to make Starshipit the easiest plug-and-play solution to work with your carriers, and to that end, our team has been hard at work this month on a host of new carrier updates. We now support light rates at checkout for DHL e-commerce, and SKU zone labels for a host of new carriers. Check out the full list of updates in the product update blog. Did you know you can use your own fleets and drivers natively within Starshipit? We've made it easy thanks to our plain labels feature and our integration with the Orchestan app. Check out the link in the video description to learn more about how you can set this up today. You can now add a returns reason and exchange details using the returns portal. This can make the returns process much easier for you and your customers, and generally just streamline the entire returns experience. And that's it for the Starshipit Chrome update for April. There's a lot to check out in the full blog, so head over to the Starshipit website and have a look at all the new features. And if you've got any new requests, feel free to send them our way. Happy shipping!